Hello, welcome to the ParaMed Placement Pass website at georgebrowncollege.placementpass.ca. Once you have everything completed, you must submit and upload your program-specific health form and supporting documents and/or your medical certificates to the ParaMed Placement Pass portal by the given program submission deadline. So whatever program you're in, make sure that you submit and upload your specific program health forms by the submission deadline. Please use your checklist as your guide that you have everything in place. How to access my ParaMed portal account. You must go to the ParaMed Placement Pass portal. Please go to the ParaMed Placement Pass website, click on Create Account. Please note that you cannot create an account until you are officially registered to your StuView account for the specific academic year. Please check the StuView website for the staggered registration for your specific program. If you click here, you will be able to find your specific program registration dates and the semester and the start date and start time of your registration. Once you have registered in the program, completed the Prerequisite Health Form, you will then be able to create an account, submit and upload it to the ParaMed portal. Click Continue, and on step 1, you enter your student ID and your date of birth. Continue to step 2, and ParaMed will show you the step-by-step instructions in how to submit and upload your documents to their portal. Please use the ParaMed student user guide that we sent you in how to access and navigate your ParaMed portal account, creating an account, logging into their site, the overview of your account, your health forms. This is where you will find how to submit and upload your documents to your ParaMed portal account, how to pay the initial or resubmission fee, get help and ask a question, your status report, and if you've forgotten your password and how to reset your account. After your ParaMed submission to the portal, the ParaMed nurses will issue you an email confirmation that they receive your health form documents, and you can expect a response from them in 48 hours. You must sign in again to your ParaMed portal account. Enter your ID number and the password that you created. Once you enter all of that information, you will find your ParaMed status report that shows all the program requirements, if they were cleared or not cleared. For example, if you see yes in each requirement, that means you met all the requirements correctly. You will see the expiration dates of your TB skin test, for example, your BLS certificate, your vulnerable sector check, your WIMIS. So all of the non-medical certificates will have an expiration date, which you will need to double check and renew either every term or every academic year. If you meet the requirements on the initial submission, you'll see a yes as a final clearance, and the nurse will issue you a cleared stamp. Once you receive the status report, please download and print it and attach it to your specific program health form documents, as you may need it for your future reference, and show it to your upcoming placement. If you were not cleared by the ParaMed nurse, you will receive a clearance status with a no in each requirement. For example, if you forgot to submit and upload your COVID-19 doses, the nurse will post a comments on your account for any outstanding documents. And your final clearance will show a no. Should you have any question, please contact us either by email or by phone, and all of my contact information is listed on your specific health form documents and also on our pre-placement website.